Hey everyone, Alex here with ToolRev, and today we're looking at two 5-inch random orbit sanders from DeWalt, the 20 volt cordless model DCW 210 and the 3 amp corded model DWE 6423. Let's take a look. So to start, the 20 volt weighs 2.9 pounds with a 2 amp hour battery and 3.5 pounds with a 5 amp hour battery, and the corded weighs 2.9 pounds. These are both variable speed sanders that go from 8 to 12,000 orbits per minute. The 20 volt has 7 speed settings and the corded has 6. And if you listen to each at full speed using a fully charged 5 amp hour battery, the corded sounds a little faster. The 20 volt is brushless, the corded is not, so to make sure the corded doesn't just sound faster, I sanded down some old trim with both sanders running at full speed using fresh 80 grit sandpaper and a fully charged 5 amp hour battery. The corded feels like it's spinning faster, and it's definitely more stable, probably due to its counterweight design, which is not a feature listed in the 20 volt description. However, I don't think it actually is faster, and in this non-scientific test, the 20 volt actually hit bare wood first. As far as vibration goes, I'd say it's good on the corded and okay on the 20 volt. With the 20 volt, the vibration comes from the battery to sander connection, which has gotten worse over the past year and a half of use as the connection has gotten looser. I have dropped it a couple of times, once from about 20 feet up, so that doesn't help, except to maybe show the 20 volt can take a beating. For vertical work, I like the 20 volt. It's got a lower profile, so it gets you closer into the work, and the side mount dust port makes a better handle than the corded's rear mount port. On the other hand, the corded's taller profile leaves more room for your second hand to grab the base, where the 20 volt is too short, at least for my large hands. But overall, both grips are good, and the battery doesn't feel awkward or in the way. These use the same 5-inch hook and loop pad. Replacements cost around $15. These are still the originals. I have about 4 years on this one with no real heavy use. But with this one, I've put quite a bit of side pressure on it, stripping paint, and the pad is still holding up very well. These come with the same Quick Connect dust bag. You can also get the Quick Connect hose adapter. With the bag alone, the corded sucks a little better than the 20 volt on horizontal surfaces. Neither is great on edges or vertical surfaces, obviously. And it's almost impossible to empty out all of the dust from the dust bag. It's just a terrible design in that regard. It's hard to gauge runtime with different pressures and material applications. But I mainly use a 5 amp hour battery on this 20 volt, and I've been happy with the runtime. So if I had to choose just one of these, I would definitely go for the 20 volt for its job site versatility. For shop work, I prefer the more refined feel of the corded. And if you really want to complete your kit, pick up one of these 20 volt oscillating tools, these multi-tools. This is great for getting into corners, and you'll have all your bases covered. So if you get one of these or any of these, I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.